Good morning, beautiful people. Today we are going to do some spinal twists and back bends. What are the benefits of spinal twists? It promotes spine flexibility and back muscle health. They're great for keeping your posture and helps burn abdominal fats, improves digestion, reduces back pain, and helps us de-stress. So meet me at the top of your mat and let's begin. Stand at the top of your mat. Inhale, reach to the sky, palms together, slight back bend. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Slightly lift the chin. Look forward or towards the ground in front of you. Keep the neck soft and chest lifting up. Exhale, fold forward. Palms on the floor. Kick your right foot back towards the end of the mat. Send your hips back and up into downward dog. Push through the hands, keeping the arms straight. Bend the knees if you need to. Tuck the chin to the chest and gaze to the belly button. Chest moves towards the thighs. Breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. Bring your knees back on the mat into tabletop. Exhale, round the back, pulling your belly in towards the spine and tuck your chin in, tuck your tailbone in. Inhale, lift the chest and chin up towards the sky. Roll the shoulders back and down, lengthen the spine. Continue to inhale and exhale as you do a few of these cat-cow at your own pace. Come back into tabletop. When you're ready, inhale, lift your right hand up towards the sky for a side stretch. And bring your right hand back down onto the mat. Inhale, lift your left hand up towards the sky for another stretch. We're going to do that again. Inhale, lift your right hand up towards the sky as your chest opens in a slight twist. Look up. Exhale, thread that right hand underneath your left armpit and rest it on the floor. Rest on the right side of your head. Inhale and exhale in this position. Breathe into that stretch. Press onto your left hand and come back into tabletop. Inhale, left arm up and switch sides. Here for a few breaths. Come back into a seated position. We're going to do half Lord of the Fish pose. Bend your left knee, step it outside of your right thigh. Left hand firmly planted behind you. Arm is straight, spine is long. Lift your right arm up. Bend your elbow to the outer side of your left knee as you twist. Breathe. Exhale, release. Bend your right knee. Step it outside of the left thigh. Right hand firmly planted behind you. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, bend your elbow to the outer side of your right knee as you twist. Breathe. Exhale, release. Adjust your legs. Now lay on your back, legs long. Prepare for supine twist. Bend your knees, soles of the feet to the floor. Lift your hips a little bit. Shift hips to the right. Pull your knees to your chest. Open your arms wide and lay them shoulder length apart on the mat. Twist your knees away from your hips. Let them fall to the left. Face turns to the right. If your shoulders lift away from the floor, try lengthening your left leg. Inhale to come out of this twist. Shift your hips a little and let your knees fall to the other side. Face turns to the left. Breathe. Send that breath to that stretch. Inhale to come out of this twist. Bend your knees, feet flat on the mat as we prepare for bridge pose. Tips of your hands can brush your heels. Push through your feet, sending your hips upwards towards the ceiling. Engage your glutes and core. Bring your shoulder blades in. Chin is away from your chest. Look up. You have the option to interlace your fingers underneath your body or lengthen your arms to touch your feet. Breathe. Slowly bring your hips back to the mat. We're going to do this 2 more times at your own pace. Remember to breathe. As you bring your hips back on the mat, you can lengthen your legs. Get as comfortable as possible as we take a few more breaths in Shavasana. Turn your attention to your breath. Inhale through your nose. And exhale all the air out of your lungs. Feel your lungs expanding with each breath and feel it release as you exhale. Relax and allow your breath to take a more natural rhythm as your body falls deeper into the mat. Feel free to lay here as long as possible, or you can end this practice and go on with your day. But thank you so much for joining me today, and thank yourself for showing up for yourself. We have to be very intentional about our health And today you were intentional about yours. So show yourself some gratitude, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day with warmth and gratitude.